One thing I love to do when I embroider is oftentimes embroider only one section of a design. So for example, if I wanted to stitch this flower, I can see that I can do areas 1, 2, and 4. Those were the ones that stitched just that flower area. And I could skip over stitching color number 3. For example, here's another one that if I just wanted the chicken, and I would need probably a chicken and a little bit of his eye and beak, I could stitch the first color and the last color. So let me show you how you would jump around in a color, in a design, where you would just be in control of which color. Now, it will be a little harder if you had red here and then red here, where there was 2 flowers. The way I would do it is I would stitch, and as soon as it jumped over here, I would stop it during that, say, red color. So yes, with a little bit of practice, you could do it. Now that's where software comes in, and software that you would pay a little bit more for from Pfaff, where you could take a design, break it apart, separate out the flowers, and use them in with another design. So depending on how creative you like to get, but there is a lot that you can do just with the machine. So when you look at a design and you see where it has colors 1 through 4, this had 4 different steps for the coloring, you can go ahead and whatever color number it shows here is the color it's going to stitch. So if you just wanted to stitch the outline of something, often that's the last color, you could go all the way to the very last color, skip the first group of colors, and stitch just the outline. That's a great way to even do quilting designs. It's just the outline of the shape that you're looking for, and maybe do it through your layers of batting and your quilt all at once.